love, welcome back to a new video on my channel, or welcome if you're completely new. I'm so happy to have you here. I hope you stick around, and if you enjoy watching this video, I hope you subscribe. So in today's video I want to share with you some beautiful jewelry pieces that I received from a brand called Vanimy. So just to give you a little introduction in case you're not familiar with them, Vanimy is a modern high-end silver jewelry brand that specializes in producing jewelry that are actually designed by the Bible, and I think it's such a cool concept because I personally haven't heard of any brands like that out there on the market. So when they contacted me to send me a couple of their pieces, I was really intrigued, and I actually watched the series The Chosen recently, so I felt like it was a synchronicity that they offered to send me a couple of their pieces, which I am really grateful for. They specialize in providing customers with high quality jewelry pieces at affordable prices that are not only practical but they're also super meaningful. Because they draw inspiration from the Bible, a lot of their pieces are inspired by faith, love and hope, and I think it's truly special when you have a piece of jewelry that's not actually, you know, a piece of jewelry that you like, but it's also quite symbolic. So yeah, I think they designed some really nice pieces. The pieces that they offer are practical, modern. You can also personalize and customize them because they have lots of different stocking pieces. So I would recommend checking out their website, which I'll leave on the screen and in the description section down below, and check out some of the other gorgeous pieces that they have on their website. So now let's do a little unboxing so you can see what I have been sent by them. So let's first start with the packaging. So the items come in this gorgeous gift bag, which I think is really pretty. They have an almost kind of pastel light blue as their brand colors, and I think it's really beautiful, and the writing on the gift bag is actually gold. So yeah, I really like their branding. I think it's minimal but it's super nice, and it does have a nice luxurious feel to it. You also get one of these dust cloths, which I think are really useful, and I really like it when brands offer these because they do come in really handy. You also get one of these pouches in a velvet blue color, which is their brand color, and again I think these are really useful to store your jewelry pieces. And you also get this gorgeous jewelry box in their brand colors. I hope the camera is capturing it correctly. It's really nice. It says Vanimy jewelry on it, and then when you open up the box you basically get these cards, which you can fully customize. Actually, they're kind of notes, so you can write a message on the back, and this is great especially if you're planning to give these. And the first one says hope and grace in your heart. So these are custom messages to match the pieces of jewelry that you're getting. So like I said, this one has hope and grace in your heart, and this is the second one that I have, and this one says the rope of love binds us to each other in perfect harmony. And this is how the jewelry comes inside the box, which I quite like because it kind of protects the jewelry, and you get an individual bag for each of the earrings. So let me show you the first items that I got. So this is the first pair of earrings. These are the oval contour drop earrings. They retail for £57, and these come in 3 different colors. The color that I picked is ocean blue. So in terms of the material, these are 925 sterling silver. They are real gold plated. It also says on the website that they're nickel free, lead free, hypoallergenic and no discoloration. So in terms of quality, they are actually really good quality. So let me take these ones out that I'm wearing. You can even see it says on the back here 925 sterling silver. Well, it says 925, which means sterling silver, and that is great. So this is what they look like on, and they are absolutely gorgeous. I really love these. So these earrings are meant to serve as a constant reminder that even amidst life's twists and turns, our relationships remain steadfast, enduring and unbreakable, which is such a beautiful message. So this is the first pair of earrings that I got, and I think they're absolutely gorgeous. I feel like this would be perfect on an everyday basis, or if you wanted to dress them up a little bit more with your hair up, I feel like that would look really nice as well, just to kind of, for maybe a special occasion, just to emphasize the look of them. I think that would be really nice. These are gorgeous. So next, moving on, I got these gorgeous earrings. So these ones are the Trinity earrings, and these ones retail for £49. Again, just like the previous pair, these ones are 95 sterling silver, real gold plated, again nickel free, lead free, hypoallergenic, and no discoloration. These ones come with the same beautiful message that says, amidst life's turns, twists and turns, our relationships remain steadfast, enduring, and unbreakable. I feel like it's so beautiful to have pieces of jewelry that every time you wear them, it's kind of a reminder or a symbol of something. I think that's really beautiful. So this is the second pair of earrings, and I also think these are absolutely gorgeous. I like the fact that they're quite chunky and they don't stand out that much. I wouldn't really necessarily say they're a statement earring, but they just blend in really nicely. I feel like they look very flattering. Let me know what you think as well. I really like the look of these. And the last item that they have sent me is actually this gorgeous necklace. So this one is called the layered polychromatic necklace. It's absolutely beautiful. It comes in two other colors. So the one that I have is ocean blue, and it also comes in olive green and the white color if you're interested in other colors. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So it's got the choker and then the longer necklace with the fish symbol, the Jesus fish symbol, which I think is super nice. So this one is actually inspired by Matthew 4:19, and it serves as a reminder of love and kindness in our lives, symbolizing hope and grace. It inspires us to love and serve those around us, which is such a beautiful message. For me, it's also quite symbolic because it reminds me of the scene in Chosen where Jesus made fish out of nothing. So yeah, I feel like every time I'm going to wear this necklace, it will remind me of that. In terms of some product details, it's 95 sterling silver with real gold plating. The choker length is 14 inches and then it has a 2-inch extension chain. Like all the other pieces of jewelry on their website, it's nickel free, lead free, hypoallergenic, and it has no discoloration. So this is the last item that they have sent me, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I think this is probably my favorite, but I do really like the earrings as well. I really like the Trinity earrings. I think they are perfect for kind of everyday, but then also the oval earrings, I think they're really good to dress down but also dress up. So they have kindly given me a 20% discount code if you're interested to use it on their website. The discount is VAN Elena. I'll leave it on the screen and I'll also leave it in the description section down below, along with their website, which I highly suggest you check out just to see some of their other gorgeous pieces. One thing I love about them is that they create sets. So if you're someone who's into matching your jewelry, they have sets where you can buy the earrings, the necklace, and the ring, which I think is really fab, and I think not that many brands do that, which I think is something really cool that they offer. I'll also make sure to leave links to the earrings and the necklace that I showed throughout the video if you want to check those out as well. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you have enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this, and until next time, take care and bye for now.